Factor the quadratic function r of x equals x squared plus 3x plus 4 using a table. Okay, so with r of x, we need to know when will r of x equal 0. That's when we'll have x-intercepts. And that's what our factors will come from. And so looking at these, then we see r of x never equals 0. And we also see that it starts at 4 and goes down and then actually goes up again. And the lowest it ever shows to go is at negative 1.5, 1 and 75 hundredths. And so that tells us this is going to be a quadratic, a parabola. And so that tells us that it goes down to a certain vertex and then goes right up, and it shows that this actually never crosses the x-axis, and so we won't have any x-intercepts, and so therefore we can't factor it. And so just to give you an idea of what this would look like on a graph, then if we have a graph of a parabola, it's going to go down to a certain point and then keep going back up, but as you can see many times it will not touch, and then you actually cannot factor this type of parabola or this type of quadratic. And so our final answer is, since r of x does not have any zeros, as can be seen by the table that contains function values decreasing to its vertex at negative 1 and 5 tenths, 1 and 75 hundredths, and then increasing without any negative function values, the function is not factorable. The quadratic function r of x equals x squared plus 3x plus 4 cannot be written as the product of binomial factors using real numbers.